Gave us a little sneak peek on how the future might look like, Moritz. Where do you see generative engineering being in 30, let's say maybe 50 years? Maybe what's your vision?
I hope that we are somewhere in the area of Jarvis, if you know this, Jousef,
Yeah.
from Iron Man.
Hmm.
So our big vision is that engineers in the future will use those algorithms like an assistant basically. So we will see that like all next expert knowledge, whole data, everything is getting digitalized, and at some point we will be able to learn from this digitalized data. So if you think about having a common data layer over the whole process, like from the first concept design, all engineering construction work, all the simulation data, all the purchasing data, everything machine readable and in one common data layer, and also like connected of the different software tools, we don't have any silos anymore. So we have like a really like a transparent overview, a machine readable overview. And if we could now learn from all of these data, I guess this is something which really could be a whole data pool of the future to learn from. And at the end, maybe not in 30 years, but I believe in 10 years, so it's getting faster um, than this. We will have like a system where I can really ask, oh, what would be like the smartest construction or the smartest material if I want to achieve like minimum weight and I want to like optimize the part to fit my eigenfrequency of 50 hertz, for example. And I guess we're already seeing this. If you know maybe GitHub Pilot, for example, so the
Yep.
open AI that is based on the GDP3, they can write code basically. And in the end, that what we are doing is only code writing in the engineering field. So I deeply believe that this will be the future. And we as engineers hopefully will sit on these fancy walls and just like talk to an artificial intelligence at some point.
Yeah.